If you're a frequent visitor in cafes, then you'll most likely know what espressos are. Espresso is much stronger when it comes to bitterness and caffeine content. Although it might seem like any coffee bean can be used for brewing espresso, special coffee beans are actually used for this specific brew. Not that regular coffee beans can't be used, although espresso would taste much more like its description if using particular coffee beans. If you don't know which beans to get for a cup of espresso, worry not. We'll share our top picks for the best espresso beans you could brew with to start your year right. What are espresso beans? Espresso is merely a concentrated form of coffee. Although, are there specific beans for brewing espresso? Espresso beans just refer to the coffee beans used in making espresso. So, espresso beans aren't really espresso beans, only regular coffee beans produced in an espresso blend. Are espresso beans and coffee beans the same? Espresso is a type of coffee made by brewing it in a particular way. What defines a great espresso bean? Many coffee beans meant for brewing espresso are available on the market. However, a detail you should look out to identify an excellent espresso bean is the roast type. What's unique about espresso beans? Coffee lovers know how different each type of coffee is from one another. We now know that espresso coffee is made with specific coffee beans to achieve a rich espresso brew. There are several reasons that most cafes use a special blend for espresso and not just regular filter coffee. A lot can be said about the subject. The main reasons are as follows. Tradition. Espresso has always been roasted darker than other types of coffee. People have come to expect a certain espresso flavors that can't be achieved with regular beans. Better paired with milk. If you want to use the espresso in a milk-based drink such as a latte or cappuccino, you'll need a rather dark roast to cut through the creaminess of the milk. This is important. Cheaper. While single, origin coffee increasingly has become the way to go when it comes to filter or French press, blends are still in vogue in the espresso world. Making espresso from espresso beans gives coffee lovers a better flavor, especially when paired with milk. Lastly, using espresso beans are generally cheaper than using single origin coffee. That is all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.